Hello, viewers. Welcome to Speaking English Simply. Today, I am going to share three key tricks to improve your English speaking skill. Let's start. First of all, positive mentality. This is the first and most crucial steps to maintain positive mentality. If you make any mistakes, don't be upset. You know that mistake is the part of your learning. If you make any mistakes, try to clarify your mistakes and carry on. Don't stop yourself in case of your speaking English. Second tricks is the self confidence. You have to believe yourself. You have to trust yourself that you can do it. If you can trust yourself, then you will be able to speak English properly. So don't frustrate it. Always believe yourself. If you believe yourself, then other will believe. Then your speaking will be you will get confidence to speak English properly. Third trick is practice on a regular basis. There is no shortcut to improve your English speaking other than practicing it on a regular basis. You can make a routine and you have to maintain that routine on a regular basis. You have to practice regularly. You may fix a time, it may be 5 minutes or 10 minutes daily, but it's enough for you. But you have to ensure the regularity of your practicing. Then it will be helpful to improve your English speaking. So, dear friends, you can follow these three tricks. It may be helpful for you to improve your English speaking English skill. So that's all for today. If you have any observation or queries, then you can comment. Have a nice day to all.